So we have to now clear the account. Document entry. Outgoing payment. This is another way to post the outgoing payment, and it can be done with F-53, okay, or F-58, which actually also print forms. Print forms as in payment advices which are made in ABAP. So we'll see F-53 post value data. I don't think we need this. Account bank data will be 10101, amount 1, just to keep a default 1. Okay, 39010, 20,000. We'll be paying only 2,000, 200 out of 20,000. Okay, so this is going to be partial 3,200 out of 20,000, and open item selection. What is open? The vendor amount. Uh, partial 200 out of 20,000. Account 10101, amount 1. Assignment account will be vendor account 399010, and process open items. Fill all the required AA4 currency rate KR. Process open items. Tax relevant accounts is not defined in this area 10101. Okay. Slash OFS 00. Cash control data tax category. Okay. Change tax amount. Save. Enter. Entry is missing. Account type K 3043G. Okay. SM30. Find maintenance dialog. Continue. Maintain. Oh, okay, tolerance. Okay. AA42 tolerance group. AA42. Done. Enter. Enter. One item was selected, 20,000. Okay. So we are going to pay partial payment. What is the difference between partial payment and residual payment? I'll just explain. Okay. Partial payment and residual. Residual means residue. Whatever remains back is residue. That's residual. That's the meaning of residual. So partial payment out of 20,000, invoice number is 788 GH GHR 900. Okay, this is the invoice number. Okay, with the date and everything. You pay 3,200 minus, so total will be, so this is 3,000. Total will be 17,000 under the same invoice. Okay. So next time the payable, this is for example on 26th of May, it's being paid. So 27th May payable will be 70,000 or 20,000 with the same invoice number. Okay. Same invoice number. So this will not be clear until the invoice is down to 0. Then it will be called clear. While in residual, what happens? The same thing. 26th May, 3,000 was paid. After this, 17,000 and 3,000 will be declared as cleared. On the same day, 26th May, residual will initiate another invoice number like 900, 700, and its balance will be 17,000. So in case of residual, you cannot track the previous transactions because it generates a new document, a new invoice, while the rest is cleared. This 20,000 is cleared with 3,000 to create a residual document. Okay. So if you want to track the vendor payments for transactions like material supplies, or if it's a regular vendor, it's better not to use residual so that you can actually keep a track of how many payments have been made, how many withholding tax have